Okay, so we are going to work on formatting our informative essays in MLA format. We're going to click on daily assignments, scroll down to here, informative essay, quarter one. This is a rubric that is of the essay, so if we click that, that's going to take us to this. We don't need this right now, so I'm going to exit out. So you click continue, and this is going to take you to our Google document. So first, we need to be in Times New Roman. We need to be in 12-point font, so it's really important to change that. Then we're going to want to be in double space, so double space, that's how you get it. Second thing, we're going to add our page number in our header, so this also needs to be in Times New Roman. So once you click on header, you're going to Times New Roman, 12-point font, and we're going to click right align. So now that we're at right align, I also am noticing that my margins are not 1 inch. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Page Setup. I'm going to make sure that my margins down here say 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so now I have one, my margins are 1 inch. So I'm going to write, we're going to pretend that Billy Bob is writing this. So Bob, and now options, page numbers, this header, show on first page, start at 1, exactly, this is what I want. So now this is all formatted correctly. So let's pretend we're still Billy Bob. Billy Bob is the author. His teacher is Miss Senior. The class is English 8. The date that this is due is the 26th September 2025. So now that I get down here, I have my name, first and last, my teacher, class, and then the date, which is day, month, year. I'm going to middle align, and I'm going to write my title. So, in what different ways can people be intelligent? And then I'm gonna go down here, I'm gonna hit backspace, and I gotta hit 1 tab. And that's how I'm gonna start my first body paragraph. So, one of the ways people can be intelligent is by, or one way, and then I would just go and add the body paragraph from the example I provided you guys. So that is how you set it up in MLA format, first off, so that everything looks the way it needs to be. We'll do another video on our citation and works cited page, but make sure that after you add a quote, so after this would be our topic sentence, the next would be our quote, so the next sentence would be our quote, and then I would add Joe Hansing 344. So yeah, after my quote, I would put Joe Hansing 344. So that's what that would look like. Making sure that we have our in-text citations and they are in MLA format. We'll go over this more in detail in class, but make sure you're following along to set this up.